Hello, this is our last video for Unit 1, but it really is going to carry over into Unit 2. For the next 2 or 3 weeks, we're going to be having word problems every day. We're going to be doing word problems. What I'm going to want you to do initially is just come up with the equation. To make this easy for you, I've included next to the link for this video a PDF of the two problems that we're going to look at tonight. So if you wish to print them for your notes, it might be a lot easier so you don't have to copy them down. So our first problem says, teacher has a box of pencils to use as prizes. 1/10 of the pencils are green. Half of them are purple, 1/4 of them are blue, and the remaining 45 are red. How many pencils are there? Well, if I add up the green, the purple, the blue, and the red, I'll know what the total is. So, to start off with, we are going to take the total number of pencils, is equal to, when we're going to have the green, the purple, the blue, and the red. So I'm going to take the green, I'm going to add it to the purple, I'm going to add it to the blue, and I'm going to add it to the red. And I have an extra plus sign here. We'll get rid of that. All right. What I want you to do, as much as is possible, and most times it is possible, I want you to write an equation just using words. It really makes it a lot easier to visualize what's going on. We're going to let the total number of pencils, equal P. And now we want to write our equation. Now, if you look here, we have the word of. 1/10 of the pencils, 1/2 of the pencils, 1/4 of them. Of generally means to multiply. Of means multiply. All right? So we have our total number of pencils is P. Our green pencils is 1/10. I can't see my pencil. Okay, there we go. 1/10 of P. We multiply by 1/10. That's the total number of green pencils. Half of them are purple. So we take 1/2 times the number of pencils gives us the number of purple pencils. 1/4 of them are blue. We take 1/4 times the number of pencils gives us the number of blue pencils. And we know that there's 45 red ones. And now we're done. We have ourselves an equation that we can solve. Just to refresh your memory, when we solve this equation, we're going to multiply both sides by 10. That gets multiplied by 10, and this side gets multiplied by 10, and we would distribute. Okay, that's our first problem. I just want you to write the equation. I don't want to worry about solving it. The next problem, talks about age. Jill's age is increased by Mark's age. So, we're not going to color code this. Although we could use purple for Jill and green for Mark. Jill's age is increased, that means to add, by Mark's age. The result, when we say the result is, mostly it's just the word is, but the result even makes it more obvious, that means equals. The result is, what is it? It's 2 times something. It's 2 times Jill's age. The result is 2 times Jill's age. But it's Jill's age 5 years ago. 5 years ago. Now the question is, what is Jill's age in terms of Mark's age? We just want to write this out as an equation. So, we're going to let J equal Jill's age. And we're going to let M equal Mark's age. The problem says Jill's age is increased. Increased means plus, adding, by Mark's age. The result is 2 times Jill's age 5 years ago. So this is Jill's age today and Mark's age today. So now let's write our equation. Jill's age, J, plus Mark's age, M, is equal to 2 times Jill's age 5 years ago. Well, how old was Jill 5 years ago? She's 5 less than what she is today. So whatever she is today, minus 5, is how old she was 5 years ago. So we look at what we've written now. Jill's age, increased by Mark's age, is 2 times what Jill was 5 years ago. Now we have our equation, and we could solve this. And actually, I'm going to solve it just because the problem says in terms of Mark's age. All that means is solve for Mark's age. So Jill plus Mark equals 2 times Jill's age minus 2 times 5. We subtract Jill's age from both sides, and we end up with Mark's age equals Jill's age minus 10. Okay, like I said, we'll have a couple more videos also. But like I said, we are going to just look at, on a daily basis, 1 or 2 story problems. All right, have a nice day.